Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of everyday life fades away, replaced by the soothing sound of cascading water and the gentle rustling of leaves. Ulu Waterfall is that place, located just a short distance from the iconic Tagline Rice Terrace. This hidden gem offers a tranquil escape from the crowds. With its pristine waters, Ulu is a haven for those seeking refreshment and relaxation. Take a dip in the natural pool, or simply sit back and soak up the sun. The surrounding cliffs and lush vegetation create a picturesque setting that is both calming and invigorating. Access to Ulu makes it a perfect destination for travelers of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll or a more adventurous hike, this hidden gem has something to offer everyone.